Do you know in the where I did my rural assessment is in Chuluni Health Center, Kitui.
Yes.
Now in Chuluni we don't have that system. We find mothers and the mothers cannot deliver there. Now we find bridging the misinformation about SHA, it's a problem, it's a challenge. You tell a mother register for SHA, then she starts asking you as a healthcare worker a lot of questions. And then I'm supposed to give the information. I'm supposed to give the service and the information and everything. Now to bridge that gap, now we have the app, and also at the comfort of her home, she's able to receive messages, timely messages, reminding her.
So you're saying this can enhance what is there.
Yeah, what is there.
Can provide the last mile.
Yeah.
Great.
And that is information.
Let me come in. I am the owner of the system. We have, what you have displayed, we have one beta. And you can use your phones, everybody here. It's called Afya Yangu app. Afya Yangu app is for the patient. You don't carry your MRI, you don't carry, it is paperless. So you go to your doctor, for example, all the stages, the journey of a maternity is found in Afya Yangu. For the doctor, we have Practice 360. And that's why even a doctor can use that app to give the authorization, OTP. So I know the problem you have in Chulu, in Kitui, is because we have only done 25 counties digitization. But and Kitui is one of the counties we have not gone to. The moment we take our tablets, we take our biometrics, no Kenyan will carry.
How will those gadgets help her as a health professional to assist the patient?
Now that gadget does registration, has the patient's data, the doctor uses for authorization, and that gadget, in fact, even if you steal it, we tell Kenyans, even if you steal it, it won't help you. It has been scripted in such a way that it only carries health data.
Now,
So,
but I think to her point, the mother, how will the mother in the village? Because the tablet is available in the hospital.
Yes.
What about the mother in the village? I think that is what she
That's
said.
why, if the mother has a phone, she uses the Afya Yangu app.
Oh, they can log in?
Yes.
Okay.
Even from anywhere, even you. If you go and upload Afya Yangu, your details, your SHA number.
Is it available on USSD like hers?
Absolutely. And then,
So maybe
There's still a lot of misinformation.
there's one question which we need to answer.
Yeah.
There's a lot of misinformation.
It's not about. So there's only one group of people in Kenya who don't have a smartphone. They even don't have a medical visa. So how do you help them? And that's why we have put 107,000 community health promoters.
Maybe the health promoters can use it.
Yes, every village, they go to every household and they will ask you.
Okay. So I think you have a partnership we can create.
But for that person to invest going forward, all the health system must be integrated into the digital health superhighway.
Yeah.
This is a very good system they have provided.
Okay, please.